This is the door chime, headlight chime, whatever chime, everything frickin' chime. This is that annoying bastard you're hearing all the time. Now mine was working fine, everything was fine, and then my truck sat for like a couple months, and then all of a sudden this chime just started going off by itself with the door closed. Anyway, this is the location of it. It's in this box. It's a CTM box, I believe. Yeah, CTM. So I'm going to desolder this buzzer real quick, and then I'll show you how to install it back in, which should help you to uninstall it. So, I went to use my solder sucker. Those of you who are not familiar, this is a solder sucker. You heat up your solder, you stick it right on there, you click the button, and it removes whatever's liquid at that moment. They're kind of tricky to get to learn, but anyway, what I'm getting at here is I went to desolder this, and the second I heated it up, I was having problems with the one connection, so I bounced over to the other and it just fell out. So maybe you'll have that kind of luck if you don't have a solder sucker. I know it's not common to have one. Just be careful not to damage anything in there, because my understanding is this actually controls a lot of different things, so you don't want to mess it up. Now, at this point in time, everything I'm doing is just a theory. So I'm hoping I can just remove it and there won't be any ramifications of that. I don't see why there would. It's just a very small speaker. Shouldn't have any bearing on anything else. So right now I'm going to put these screws back in. They are all, there's 5 in total T10s, Torx 10s. And so I'm going to get this box back together and then I'll show you how to install it. 5 T10s in there. Very simple. Close it. Clicks into place. So when you open it, just be careful not to break your tabs off. Now, I just removed the knee bolster. I wasn't sure where it was at before when I was looking for it, so I removed a bit more things, but if you simply remove that, that allows you to get to the screw location right here. It's about a 3-incher Phillips. And let me put you guys down here real quick and I'll show you how to install. So, just 2 connections. And stuff it back up. And just sink your screw in, fish it into place. And then screw her down. 1 single screw. Come on, baby. Okay. Let's see. Now I gotta plug my battery back in and we'll see what happens. Okay, so keep in mind, I haven't tested this. I have no clue if it works. Nobody left any information on the web that I could find. Let's see what happens here. Headlights on. I hear nothing. Wait to start for a drive brake. I don't see any lights. Windows work. I say that's a pass. I'll wait till I drive to put this video up and make sure that it definitely works before I start giving out advice. Brake and seat belt. Okay, there's seat belt. There's brake. Wow, yeah, we're good. All right, guys. Everything's been tested and verified. This little bastard right here that I desoldered, it works. So, as tradition goes, we are gonna remove that one from our list. And that's a wrap. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks, guys.